Hey everybody, so if you want to stream videos while doing other work on your computer, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what you're gonna do is use Google Chrome, and on Google Chrome just look for the Chrome Store. You can simply do this by typing Chrome Store, and the first one that pops up is the Chrome Web Store. Click on that, get in there. Once you're in here, just type in Easy Picture in Picture. So you're gonna look for Easy Picture in Picture. First one that pops up is this one here. Now you install this to your Chrome browser. This is an extension. Just go to Add to Store, and it's gonna check, and then when it pops up this pop-up here, just go to click on Add Extension, and it's going to install it on your browser. Now here it shows you that you can actually add this to your extensions by putting on the pin. So now from now on, when you're watching anything, like say for example this YouTube video here, it didn't have the option before for me to add picture in picture, but now it does, and I have a floating window which I can put anywhere on the page, and it will keep on streaming the video. And it's the same if I was to play a video on Netflix. um, it will also be playing, and I click on this icon here, it's going to play it in the floating window as well, which is always gonna be on top of everything that I'm doing. um, I can close that, or I can close it, and this is another browsing, another streaming site. I can still click on the Easy Picture in Picture, and you can see that I still have the floating window. This floating window can be resized up to this small, sorry, can be resized down to that small and up to this big, but you can place it anywhere on your browser, and this is a great feature that I use all the time when I need to catch up on some videos but I need to do some work at the same time. So I hope this helped. Let me know if it did, and I'll see what your other suggestions are down in the comments down below. All right, till next time. Peace.